Have you ever felt like life is sending you little hints as if something amazing is just around the corner? Sometimes the universe gives us subtle signs that good news is on its way. In this video, we'll explore 7 signs that often precede exciting changes or uplifting news. Pay attention to these indicators; they might just be the encouragement you've been waiting for. One of the first signs that good news is coming is an unexpected surge of positivity. You may feel lighter, as if a weight has been lifted off your shoulders, even without a specific reason. This shift often occurs when your energy aligns with upcoming opportunities. When this happens, it's important to nurture this newfound optimism. Surround yourself with people, thoughts, and actions that reinforce these good vibes. This positivity isn't random; it's the universe preparing you for something wonderful. Small moments like feeling grateful for the little things or finding joy in everyday life are powerful indicators of alignment. Stay open to this energy and trust that it's leading you towards something remarkable. Have you noticed certain numbers, words, or symbols showing up repeatedly? These synchronicities are often seen as messages from the universe, signaling that something significant is about to happen. For instance, seeing numbers like 111 or 555, or hearing the same phrase from different sources, is no coincidence. These patterns act as gentle nudges, encouraging you to stay alert and mindful of your surroundings. Recognizing these signs isn't about superstition; it's about tuning in to the subtle ways the universe communicates. Acknowledge these patterns as reminders that you're on the right path and exciting developments are in store. Another common sign is a heightened sense of intuition. You may find yourself just knowing that something good is coming, even without tangible evidence. This inner knowing often feels calm yet confident, like a quiet assurance that everything is falling into place. Your intuition is a powerful guide. Pay attention to gut feelings, sudden insights, or even dreams that seem particularly vivid or meaningful. These are your subconscious mind's way of preparing you for what lies ahead. By trusting your intuition, you strengthen your connection to your inner self and the flow of life. Let this guidance inspire you to take the next steps with confidence and clarity. When good news is near, opportunities often start to present themselves in surprising ways. It could be a chance encounter, an unexpected offer, or an idea that sparks inspiration. These moments act as stepping stones, leading you closer to the big reveal. Don't dismiss these opportunities, even if they seem small or unrelated to your goals. Often they're the catalysts for bigger changes. Accept them with curiosity and gratitude, as they may open doors you didn't even know existed. Remaining open to new possibilities allows you to recognize and seize the moment when good fortune comes your way. Trust that these opportunities are part of the bigger picture unfolding perfectly for you. Another key indicator is when others start offering help, advice, or encouragement seemingly out of the blue. This could be friends reaching out, coworkers providing solutions, or even strangers offering kind words. This kind of support shows that the universe is aligning people around you to assist in your journey. It's a sign to accept help with gratitude and recognize that you're not alone in this process. When you notice this happening, take it as a reminder to stay open to receiving. Accepting support graciously can create a ripple effect, inviting even more positive energy and connections into your life. One of the most reassuring signs that good news is approaching is a sense of calm amidst the usual chaos. Even if your surroundings are hectic or uncertain, you may feel an unshakable inner peace. This calmness is your subconscious mind aligning with the positive changes ahead. This sense of peace allows you to navigate challenges with ease, as if you already know that things will work out in your favor. It's a protective energy that shields you from unnecessary stress, helping you stay focused on what truly matters. Sometimes this tranquility might feel strange, especially if you're used to reacting strongly to situations. But it's important to accept this shift and trust that it's paving the way for better days. Your calmness is a clear indication that you're in sync with the flow of life. When you feel this serenity, use it as an opportunity to reflect, meditate, or simply enjoy the moment. It's not just a sign of good news, it's also a chance to recharge and prepare for the exciting developments ahead. Another sign that something great is on the horizon is when people start recognizing your efforts without you seeking it. Compliments, acknowledgments, or positive feedback may come from unexpected places, reinforcing your sense of worth. This recognition is often a reflection of the energy you've been putting out into the world. Whether it's in your work, relationships, or personal growth, others are noticing the value you bring, even if you don't always see it yourself. Take these moments as validation that your hard work is paying off. They serve as reminders that you're on the right path and that bigger rewards are on their way. Accept this praise gracefully, as it's part of the universe affirming your efforts. Unsolicited recognition can also open new doors or connections. When you're in alignment with your purpose, the right people and opportunities naturally gravitate toward you. Stay receptive and let this positive energy guide you forward. Feeling a sudden clarity about your goals or a renewed passion for something you've been working on is another powerful sign of upcoming good news. It's as if the fog lifts and you can see the path ahead more clearly. This newfound purpose might come from a conversation, a moment of inspiration, or even a simple realization. It's the universe's way of guiding you back to what truly matters and aligning your energy with what you're destined to achieve. Accept this clarity as a gift. Use it to set intentions, revisit plans, or take action toward your dreams. The renewed focus you feel isn't random, it's a sign that the right opportunities are drawing nearer. When you act on this sense of purpose, you amplify the positive energy around you, making it even easier for good news to find its way into your life. Trust that you're exactly where you need to be and stay committed to your vision. One of the clearest signs that good news is coming is an overwhelming sense of gratitude. You might find yourself appreciating the little things in life, from a beautiful sunrise to a kind gesture from a stranger. Gratitude shifts your mindset and energy, making you more receptive to the blessings on their way. When you focus on what you're thankful for, you align yourself with the frequency of abundance, inviting even more positivity into your life. This pull toward gratitude often happens naturally, as if your heart is preparing to receive something wonderful. It's a reminder to cherish what you have while staying open to what's to come. Make it a habit to express your gratitude, whether through journaling, saying thank you, or simply taking a moment to reflect. This practice not only enhances your current joy, but also creates a magnetic energy that attracts even more good news. Have you noticed a string of events that seem too perfectly timed to be random? These coincidences, often called synchronicities, are strong indicators that something extraordinary is on its way. These moments might include meeting the right person at the right time, stumbling upon helpful information, or receiving opportunities that align with your goals. They're not accidents, they're signs that the universe is orchestrating events in your favor. Pay attention to these synchronicities and trust the process. Even if the connections aren't immediately clear, they're guiding you toward the good news you've been waiting for. Stay curious and follow the breadcrumbs life is laying out for you. Each coincidence is like a puzzle piece, gradually revealing a bigger picture of how everything is working out for your highest good. Recognize these moments as gifts and use them to strengthen your faith in the unfolding of your journey. When life begins to show you these signs, take a moment to pause and appreciate the journey you're on. These clues aren't just random occurrences, they're a testament to the energy and effort you've put into creating a brighter future for yourself. Recognizing them is the first step to fully welcoming the good news that's just around the corner. Trust in the process, stay open to the unexpected, and let these signs guide you forward. They're gentle reminders that you're supported, aligned, and moving in the right direction. By focusing on these positive shifts, you allow even greater opportunities to flow into your life. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot, and it helps us continue sharing uplifting content like this. Keep shining, stay tuned, and recall good things are on their way to you.